you go. The courthouse. Santa Barbara Courthouse. Pretty cool. Super awesome entry. Oh, I'm in the photo. As you can see, there's people here getting married right on the lawn. Pretty beautiful. Excuse me. We're gonna go cruise a little bit here. Let's take a cruise on the lawn at the Santa Barbara Courthouse. Super, super green today. And the lawn is just unbelievable. Here we go. We're cruising on the Onewheel. See? Douche. It's pretty awesome. That's one thing I like about the Onewheel. You can just cruise on this baby. It's like a magic carpet. It's like, shh. Let's go pan. Let's pan this side. Check it out. There's the courthouse. Pretty cool, huh? If you're gonna get married, I guess this is the spot to be. Look at that. Super nice day. It's just a little bit overcast, but beautiful day. Oh, it's just a little reel, just a quick one. Just kind of show you guys downtown Santa Barbara and the grounds. Super clean, especially when you're cruising on the Onewheel. It's like freaking effortlessly awesome. There's the clock tower. There's a drone up there somewhere. You can hear it. Anyway, I'll cut this video out and I'll talk to you guys later. See you later. Bye.